In this video, I'm going to register a free account or wealthy affiliate with you. I will show you what's inside the platform. You can change the username later on inside the platform, right? Just type one demo as a demo, okay? Okay, this is Kyle. This is the co-founder of Wealthy Affiliates, and you will know if you have any questions inside the platform. Actually, you can ask Kyle. Okay, this is the platform of Wealthy Affiliate, and then the first thing you want to do is actually to set up your profile, right? So that you can make friends on the platform, network with other people. So right here, you actually network, just add your profile here, and then also you can set your goal, right? I like this so much because you really have to set a goal in order to succeed. Like how much money per month we would love to be happy earning, and also how much money per month would allow you to live the ideal lifestyle, and just how many hours that you can commit to your business. Setting goals, right, is important, and then you can also upload your picture right here, your photo, and then also you can you can introduce yourself, right? Something, and write something about here so that other people can know who you are, right? It is really like Facebook. I would say the interface really like Facebook, where you can really network with a lot of people right here, right? And then also you can write some blog posts right here. You see a lot of members actually they're writing a lot of blog posts to share the knowledge, share the success. Basically you can share anything right here. And of course, right, the best thing here is that you can ask questions. Ask any questions that you like. And I want to let you know this one thing is that right here, the live chat, right, you can chat with, because I have 7 days. If you have a free account, you actually have 7 days to chat with all the members right here, and people are actually asking a lot of questions and really get real time and instant help from other members. And right here it is a Jesse, right? But right now, because I'm just a free account, so you just have very limited, like 30 searches, keyword searches of the Jesse. But if you become a premium member, actually you can have all this unlock, right? And then this one is the affiliate program, right? You can actually search any affiliate program right here, right? Different niches, and then join the program, the affiliate program. And this is a live event there every week. We actually have a live seminar, right? Live webinar, and each week the topic is different. Right? This guy is Jay, and he's very knowledgeable. He's a very experienced online marketing, and you can really learn a lot of things from him. And right here you can actually get access to all the recorded lessons in the past in the past years, right? And this is a training, right? If you are the starter member, actually you can already get access to level 1 training, right? If you become a premium member, of course you can get access to everything. And right here is this classroom, and it is amazing. I think classroom you get all the other many courses. Some of them actually taught by the experienced member here at Wealthy Affiliate, and they share their successful strategies with you. And they're all categorized into different topics, so very, very organized. So if you have any questions, really just leave a comment below, and I will answer your questions. This is really the newsfeed of Facebook. You can see a lot of stuff like the blog post, and somebody they actually tell their success stories, and you can you can ask any questions right here, and the people will reply to you very quickly. Really, it's really a very, very helpful community that you cannot find elsewhere on the internet. And of course, right here, the private message, right? You can use this inbox to message anybody like Kyle. You can really send a private message to Kyle, and Kyle will really reply to the message. It is the help center. If you have anything about your website, right, you have any technical issues, actually you can see help right here, the site support. But right now I cannot do this because I'm just a starter member. But if you're a premium member, actually you can get access to the site support, and it's very responsive. Right here is the website, because actually even if you're just a starter member, right, you can already build a website right here, right? You can build a new website and just to choose a free domain. Okay, start with this domain and just build a website over here. And yeah, the site domain and site builder. And of course, you see there are other functions right here: site comments, site feedback, site. And you can get access to this only if you're a premium member. The site content, right, the writing platform. You can, write your contents right here is a pretty great tool that you can use, right, to write anything that you like. And you can create some of the templates right here, and it's a pretty cool writing tool, right? It's better than any other writing tools that you can find on the market. Yeah, that's all. So go ahead and register free accounts and just try it out. And if you like it, feel free to upgrade to the premium, because for the first month it just if you just upgrade to the premium accounts for the first month, actually just like you see, just like $19, right? Just $19 for the first month. Try your first month premium for only $19. So why not give it a try? Yeah. See you in the next lesson, and we talk about more about how to build your affiliate marketing business, how to build a website, everything that you need to know to build a profitable business online. See you in the next lesson.